Sanibonani molweni dumelang, and welcome to the month of love. This is a time where you get to spend your time with the ones that you love, and that one that's very special to your heart. Now, this is a time where we take all that we invest in and put it to that one person, which is that one person is a person that you might be sitting next to, or if you're not, guys, just sit next to that person right now as you watch this show, because we take you through the greatest and the most amazing journeys throughout history. Yes, you heard it right. We are creating history. Now, as you are tuned in, don't worry, because you can catch all our episodes from episode 1 in season 1 throughout all episodes, and season 2 on all episodes, guys, on www.makoyaentertainment.co.za. Stay tuned, because right after this, we'll be having a very talented young man, Siyamdumisa. That's all I will say to you guys, because he is about also giving you a piece of his mind. Now, let me stop about joking around. Stay tuned, guys. Right after this, we'll be having a chat with the artist.
Sanibonani, I'm Siyamdumisa Nkabinde. I'm from Newcastle, but I'm staying at Orange Farm. And my purpose of joining Makoya Entertainment is to uplift my dreams. Firstly, I would like to uplift acting. I love acting. I started acting when I was young, playing a Jesus part, and I did well. Secondly, I want modeling. Modeling I did with Sowetel. It was amazing, but it wasn't for long, and I did well also. Music. Music, I have 2 single albums, and the thing is, I haven't recorded yet, but soon I'm gonna record it.
Welcome back to the show. We hope you are ready to be inspired by the guest that we have today. We have today Siyamdumisa, all the way from Newcastle. My guy, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
I'm great, fam. It's great to have you in the show. I see you all, you're on point in everything. You're representing. It's the month of love. Are you ready? You've got something that's packed on the side?
I'm very happy. Thank you.
Yeah, that's great, fam. That's great. That's great. And he is an inspiring model, an upcoming actor, all the way from Orange Farm. He became a member of Makoya Entertainment a few weeks back. Now, a few questions that we'll be asking him, and just finding out what takes and makes him the person that he is. So, first question of the day, Chief. How long have you been doing modeling?
It's been 2 years. I started in 2017. Yeah. Then I quit. I was tired, so then I decided to quit. Then I did it again last year.
Why? Abantu mabayeka usually kuba nzima ukuthi babuye. Wena wabuye. Did you see ukuthi maybe kunezinto ongaziyenza better, or
no, thinking ngahamba ngekhe end, so then we are back. So ngokhala kabusha.
No. In your terms of modeling, ne? What is modeling? Okay, ngawe in your own words, yini modeling?
Modeling, I think modeling it's something that like fashion, ngithanda fashion. Yeah. Ngithanda fashion.
Yabona vele singenile.
Yeah, manje ugqoka kahle bemuhle. Into engithanda.
Okay, that's cool. Is there enough support when it comes to modeling ku area yakho?
Yes. Equally support, especially to my family. Bank support our too, because even if khona bakuzwayo bangisendela kuna something.
So musawe na nje awuna stress ngithola ama gigs. Most a lot of models have problems and difficulties makuthola ama gigs. Eziyabuya ngapha ngaphandle.
Eziyabuya ngempela kodwa phela bekubekeze. So
wena umuntu one patience kahle.
yeah, ngine-passion.
Okay, alright, that's good. That's good. Then Zuba Christmas. Another thing, tell us about your journey through the entertainment industry, like so far.
My journey, I can say it is not that big, but I'm there, I'm hanging in there. Like I was like, I started like 2017, like 2017 with posture model. Then I decided to quit. So then that's why I can't get now to things like entertainment.
Okay, no. All the best, man. All the best with that. So about acting, how did the passion develop? Everyone uqala somewhere, kuba na something impushayo or baqale nga something until bazobona ukuthi okay yazini mina ngifuna ukwenza acting. Where did your passion develop?
I started from school. I did drama. Then I came here in Johannesburg. Then I started with some narration, and that's why I did some extras. Most of the time I did extras.
Okay, good stuff. Do you think models without an Instagram account are taken seriously in this entertainment industry?
Not really, because you need to post, you need to people see you, what you're doing, and they need to see you that you really like that thing, so that they can give you support.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. Another question: what is the I heard you spoke about posture modeling. What is the difference between pageants and posture modeling in your own view? Ngokubona kwakho?
Ngokubona kwami mina ngibona ngathi kuyafana, because like dila ngento eyi-one, like advertiser impahla zokugqoka. Ngasho ukuthi into eyi-one, because into eyi-one dila ngempahla.
Okay. And another question: who is your role model?
Talent is my role model.
Okay. Do you think guys without do you think guys without six packs or abs, or those who are not slim and tall, are not models enough?
No, that is not true.
There's people that are suffering out there that don't have the abs, bruh. Hey, I know some of you guys that are models, bruh. But there's guys that are there, and you know, why do you think they are? It's not true.
It's not true, because model, it's any age, any shape, everyone can do model. But it depends on how you want it and how you're gonna make it.
The way you go towards it. Okay, that's cool. That's good positive vibes. And where do you see yourself in 3 years of modeling and acting?
I see myself, ngibona ngisekudeni, ngibona ngilapha phezulu.
So itholile lento uyifunayo.
Ngitholile lento engiyifunayo. Ngibona nje kanjalo, ngitholile lento engiyifunayo.
Okay. Look, thank you for coming to the show, man. You've been amazing. It's always great to have people that are inspiring. And you know, another thing, where can people get you? If they want to find you on social media, which handles can they find you?
Okay, in Instagram, I'm Siyamdumisa 7. In Facebook, I'm Nkabinde. Yeah, that's...
In those,
yeah.
Okay, you've heard it yourself, guys. Please show our artist some love. Comment on the comment section. We'll make sure that he responds, and chats to you. And that's it from us. Give us a call on our social media as well, at Makoya Entertainment. You can contact us on 081 726 5601. If you need to check us, Makoya Entertainment is where you need to check us at. That's it for today. Have a lovely week ahead. And my name is Hamilton Dlomo. I am signing out.